Let's continue. Next one is regular and irregular reflection. Regular and irregular reflections. Reflection we have learned. That means when the light falls on an object, a part of it will be get bounced back or it will be reflected. So that reflection is of two types, regular and irregular reflection. So you can see two utensils, that means a new spoon and an old spoon. In both you can see your image, but it won't be same. New spoon, it will be clear image you get, but in old one we won't get the image so clearly or blunt image you get. Why? What is the reason for this? We will understand it through the terms regular and irregular reflections. When a light falls on a smooth and highly polished object, when the light falls on a smooth and highly polished object, almost all the light it will be get reflected in a specific direction. A picture is given here, rays of light, a parallel beam of light falls on this highly smooth polished surface. So what happens? They reflect in the definite direction. See that they are reflecting in the proper direction. All the light rays, a beam of light rays fall and it get reflected. Such a reflection is known as regular reflection. What is it called? Regular reflection. Regular reflection gives clear images. Regular reflection gives clear images. Hope it is clear. Another situation I will tell you. When a beam of light falls on an irregular surface, when a beam of light falls on an irregular surface, the light rays will get reflect, but all the light rays won't be in the same direction. All the light rays won't reflect in the same direction. They will reflect in the different directions. As they reflect in the different direction, we won't get a clear image. We won't get a clear image. Such a reflection is known as irregular reflection or diffuse reflection. There are two terms are there. They are known as irregular reflection or diffuse reflection. So we have cleared about regular and irregular reflections. Now let us learn about image formed by a plane mirror. Let us see. We are using plane mirror to see our image. That means morning when you comb your hair or when you apply cosmetics on your face, what we will do? We will stand in front of a mirror. When you stand in front of the mirror, we get the image of our face or we get our image. Hope it is clear. We get our image. So there are some characteristics are for the images formed by this plane mirror. Let us see one by one. First one, image is erect and same size as the object. First one, noticeable point is image is erect. That means if we stand straight, our image also it will be straight. And next one is image will be of the same size as the object. If the object is larger, image also will be larger. If the object is smaller, image also will be smaller. That means image is depends on the size of the object. So 2 points we have learned. First one, image is erect and is of the same size as the object. And the next one, image forms at the same distance behind the mirror as the object in front of it. That means how much distance away that object is in front of the mirror, that much distance away the object will be behind the mirror. So if you are standing near to the mirror, your image also it will be closer to the mirror. So if you are standing away, your image also it will be away from the mirror. And the next point, the image formed by a plane mirror is virtual. The image formed by plane mirror is virtual. That means here in the case of plane mirror, image is formed not by the actual meeting of the reflected ray. Not the point. In the case of plane mirror, image is formed not due to the actual meeting of the reflected ray. As they are not formed by the, as the image is not formed by the actual meeting of the reflected ray, that image will be virtual. Virtual means the image that is formed by a plane mirror cannot be caught on a screen. See that we can see our face on the mirror, but can we make that image on a piece of paper? No, it is not possible. That image will be only on the mirror. So we can say that image formed by a plane mirror is virtual. And the last point, the image formed by a plane mirror shows the phenomenon of lateral inversion. Or we can say that the image formed in a plane mirror is laterally inverted. Lateral means side, laterally inverted. That means sides are interchanged. When you are standing in front of the mirror and raise your left hand, then image will raise the right hand. And in the same way, if you raise the right hand, image will raise the left hand. So the sides are interchanged. Left side will become right side and right side will become left side, and this phenomenon is known as lateral inversion.